In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Microsoft Copilot. To get started, open Microsoft Copilot and make sure you're on the main screen. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see your profile area there. Go ahead and click on your profile to open the account menu. After the menu appears, look for the settings option and click on it. This will take you into the settings area where you can adjust different preferences for your Copilot experience. If you don't immediately see the option you need, don't worry. Just take a moment to look through the available sections carefully. Inside Settings, find the Preferences section. Under Preferences, you should see the Language option. This is the setting that controls the language used in Microsoft Copilot's interface. Click on the Language drop-down menu to view the available choices. Now, simply select the language you want to use. Once you click your preferred language, the setting will be updated. In many cases, the change takes effect right away, but if you don't notice it immediately, give the app a moment to refresh. Depending on the version you're using, you may need to reopen the app or navigate away and back for the new language to fully appear. And that's it. That's how you change the language in Microsoft Copilot. A quick tip while you're here, make sure you choose a language you're comfortable using across menus, buttons, and settings, since changing the interface language can affect how everything is labeled throughout the app. If you ever want to switch back, you can follow these exact same steps and choose a different option from the drop-down. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in making Copilot easier and more comfortable to use, especially if you prefer working in your native language, or if you're helping someone set up their device in a different language. So again, open Copilot, click your profile in the bottom left corner, go to Settings, find Preferences, open the Language drop-down, and select the language you want. Once that's done, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your Microsoft Copilot language quickly and easily.